If you post a story, you earn $7. If you post a photo, you earn $18. If you post a video, $33. In this video, the easiest way to make money online with Instagram. Stay tuned. You don't need a website. You don't need to sell any product. You don't need to create videos and go on camera. It works from any country, only from your mobile phone. With Instagram, you can make money online. In this video, you don't have any excuse to start working with your mobile. I'm Hassan from Educate and it's too cold here. So let's start directly in our topic and don't waste more time. But please don't forget, if you like to watch more videos like this about digital marketing, online business and making money online, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel and turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. So let's start our work directly. Now you know me, honesty is one of the main rules here on my channel. To make money on Instagram, it's not that simple as I explained in the introduction, just by posting. You need to do some work, but I believe this method that I will show you in this video is one of the easiest methods anyone can do. You need only your mobile phone, only on the Instagram, so please follow up. I will explain everything, how to work, how to start, and I will share with you some free tools I developed for you to grow on Instagram. So please don't miss any minute. This video may really change your phone, change your Instagram account into a money-making machine. Let's start. So I think like everyone here have an Instagram account. If you don't have one, you can just go to instagram.com and create one. It's free and so simple. So here is my Instagram account opened on my desktop in my browser, and you can see I have like 1,200 followers. So the idea here about this video is to create an Instagram account to get some followers, like 1,000 followers, to have a good engagement with your post in your account, and then you can simply sponsor other people, like posting a sponsored posts, a sponsored images on your profile. So in that case, you just post an image and you make money. You post a video and you earn money. That's simple. The first step here in this strategy is to build a good Instagram profile. And this is what I'm going to share with you now in detail. How to build an Instagram profile, how to create posts very easily and for free, and then how to sponsor others, and how to know how much your Instagram profile value so you can charge people on. So I explain everything. This video is really so interesting. So this is my profile, and any of those posts I publish on my profile gets at least around 40% or 30% engagement. So at least it reaches 300 or 400 people out of 1,200. So I think it's a very good engagement rate. So how to create such post that gives you a high engagement rate? Let's see together. Let's say I want to create like this one, like this post. It's a small quote with a background image. Now you may tell me I don't know any quotes, I don't want to search and find and whatever, I don't know how to get free images. Don't worry, I will show you how to create these posts now in 1 minute. What you are going to do simply is to go to canva.com. Now it's totally free, you don't need any premium membership. Everything explained is free. Go here to create a design and click on Instagram post. It will give you the optimal Instagram size or the best size for Instagram post. What you are going to do here simply is go to photos and choose a free photo. You can see this is my free photo here. I will put it, right click and click set image as background. And by the way, Canva has a mobile application. You can do all this on mobile. So just add this background, so simple, in one click. Now you may tell me from where I can get those quotes. By the way, the quotes you see here, I write them. But you don't need to think and search a lot. I will give you now a free website to get hundreds, maybe thousands of free quotes to create on your profile. So let's open a new tab and open a website called brainycode.com. That's it. By the way, all the links are in the description below. So don't worry about the links. It's brainycode.com. Here you'll find a lot of codes. Let's say you want to add motivational quotes. Open this. And now you can see we have a lot of motivational quotes here. You can just copy and paste. Let's say I want to get this one, just open it. And by the way, you can also create it here on Brainy Code. It'll give you a free image also. But we will use Canva because I think it's more professional. So just copy this like this, copy, go here to Canva and Ctrl V to paste it like this. Let's change the font, make it, as an example, 71, put it here, and let's change the font, set it to this one as an example, or this one. Very nice. That's it. You finished an image. You can resize it like this. If you go here, you see this love icon or like icon, go to elements. I will say love, anything. You get here, put it here, resize it like this, and here we are. We have the post. We have the image to post on our profile. Simply click on download the image, download, and then post on your profile. What you are going to do is to post at least 3, 4, or 5 times per day on your profile. Something that people love, to get some engagement on your profile, to get a high engagement rate. So later on, when you want to post a sponsored photo, the price will be higher and you can earn more money if you have higher engagement on your profile. So now you have your Instagram account. You learned how to create Instagram posts very easily using Canva and Brainy Codes. And by the way, if you have some ideas, you can use it. You can use whatever you want. Just be sure to post every day, like 3 or 4 or 5 times, to get a high engagement on your Instagram profile. So now we have the profile, we have the post, and you started posting. Now the main question is how to grow your Instagram, how to get at least 1,000 followers so you can get like $10 or $20 per post on your profile. Simply go to my YouTube channel and then go to videos, and here you will find this video, how I got 920 Instagram followers in 13 days only. If you want, you can watch this video to take some ideas. But in general, 2 main rules to grow your Instagram profile. 2 main rules keep in mind. Number 1 is to post on a daily basis. Be consistent, post on a daily basis, and add the appropriate tags. Add the appropriate hashtags. Now, when you post on Instagram, let's say I want to post something, I will add a photo, anything now just to show you this. Let's say I want posting, go downloads, this post. You say next here, you can add here hashtags. You can see like the example quote, whatever. And when you are writing on Instagram, it will give you some relevant hashtags and suggestions, and it will give you how much posts we have in each hashtag. So you can see here we have for this hashtag 117 million posts. So it's very hard to rank on this tag. You have to get somehow low competition tags. So to help you, I created a free tool that gives you a big list of hashtags with the post number, so you can choose the best for your account as a beginner starting to rank on easy hashtags. So in the description below, you will find a link to download my free tool. I will open it now to show you how it works. Please focus well. It's very important to follow up with me. After you download the tool, you will have these files. Just open. You don't need to install anything. Just open the application. You will find this simple application. What you are going to do simply, let's say you want to post about quotes. So say quotes and click on find. And you can see in like 2 seconds, it will give you a big list of hashtags. Simply filter by post or sort by post and go down and search for hashtags with a low number of posts. You can see here like 200,000 posts. We have here 1 billion or 11 billions. I don't know how much. It's a very big number. So use this free application to get a list of hashtags. Let's say you want to search for dogs as an example, anything, click on find. And again, it will give you a full list of hashtags about dogs. Sort and get the low number of post hashtags to use in your post. Search for whatever you want. In my case, maybe I search for digital marketing, email marketing, online business. It depends on your niche. But if you have a general profile about codes or whatever, you can search for codes, search for whatever you want. But as a small advice, also go and be specific. Select a niche, select a target topic. So when you want to sponsor someone, you will have a targeted niche where people will love to sponsor their photos and videos on your profile. So get a list of tags using my free simple hashtag tool. Now here is a small important point you have to know. This tool sometimes doesn't work directly using this button, this find button. It gives you an error. As an example, if you click now on find, sometimes it gives you this error, something went wrong. Don't worry, just go here on extract from JSON and enter the keyword here again, like as an example, dogs, and copy this full URL. Step 2, copy it, open your web browser, just paste the URL here, so simple, and then copy this response, all data here, copy, Ctrl C, and then paste in the output section here and click read hashtags. The same operation, it will read everything. Sometimes it have somehow an authentication problem with Instagram, so you can fix this using this manual method. Anyway, it's too simple to use and it will give you a full list of hashtags. You can also export to CSV and keep on your PC. You can build a library of hashtags using this application so you can use whenever you want. So just go download the application from the description below and use it to generate a list of hashtags to use in your profile. So this is how you can start on Instagram, create a profile, create posts using Canva totally for free, using Brainy Code to get some codes. If you don't have any ideas, it will give you directly some codes to post on your profile. Watch my video about growing Instagram. You can go and watch more videos about growing on Instagram. I'm really honest with you, I'm not that expert in Instagram, but I'm sharing with you my knowledge. You can watch other videos, you can maybe watch courses, whatever you want, just to grow your Instagram profile to reach at least like 1,000 followers in a specific niche and get somehow a high engagement rate. Now, after you do this, maybe it will take you like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It depends on your work. And by the way, it doesn't take more than 30 minutes a day. So please just try it. Just try to do this. After that, you'll go to a website called socialbluebook.com and see your values. So after you sign up and connect your platform, as an example here, my Facebook page, a dedicated post cost only $20. It depends on your profile. Here is my YouTube channel. You can see I can post a video and earn up to $1,300 per video. This is because my channel has somehow a big audience and a high engagement rate. This is my Instagram profile. I have 1,200 followers. I have 7.6% engagement percentage. I have like 92 likes per post approximately. So my suggested price per post is $33, per video, per photo is $18. So you can see it's somehow simple to start with this business online using only your Instagram profile with mobile. So I think the idea now is clear. I explained almost everything you need to know. Now the last question you may ask is how I can find sponsors, how I can find people who want to post on my profile. Before I tell you this, just one important point: don't transfer your Instagram profile into an ad directory or a profile just filled with ads. No, don't post every day a story for someone else or a photo for someone else. No, keep things normal. Let people love your content. You can do this maybe once per week, maybe twice per week, maybe 3 times per week, but not every day or every day couple of posts. Just make things real and keep people engaged with your profile. Later on, when you grow more and more, you have more followers, you can earn a lot more than this with only one post. As you can see on my channel, with only one video, I can make $1,000. Now, how we can find someone that may be interested in posting on our profile, how we can connect with other people, let's see together. Number one is something you can do. You can contact people and ask them if they want to sponsor something on your profile. How? Using two main methods. Using cold mailing, you can cold mail targeted people as I explained in my other videos, or you can simply contact them on Instagram. So simply you can search for people in your niche and ask them if they are interested in posting on your profile and promoting something in your profile. Method number two, which is somehow automated, when your profile is visible on Instagram, we have services like socialbakers.com where people can find influencers. So people will find you automatically. So please don't worry a lot now from day one how you will get your first ad, how you will promote someone. Just focus now on promoting and growing your Instagram profile, getting high engagement rate, getting high number of followers. Then later on you will see how people will contact you automatically to promote something on your profile. I'm telling you this from my experience. Believe me, every day on my email, on my private messaging, I get people asking me to promote something. So please don't worry about this step from now. Just go and start with step one, create post every day, build your profile on Instagram, and you will see how you'll be successful later on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any questions, anything you want to share, I am here almost every day to answer your questions in the comments section. Please don't forget, subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. See you later.